subscribers. They will tell you how you can also fix this problem, so you can see it. Fatal error unexpectedly found nil while implicitly unwrapping an optional value. So mostly it just happened because when you just use your var or let, so it hasn't any value. So how you can also, so it's also nil. You could see this error when you just connect your, for example, from your UI kit to your class add some IBOLET, and also you just after you just remove this label, so you just corrupt your connection. And also you could see this error too, so just check your storyboard if you have this nil with some storyboard connection IBOLET, or if you just initialize it in code, just check what value when you use it, and what value it needs to have, and what value it originally have. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.